Journaling. This is one topic that a lot of newbie traders and even intermediate traders are running away from. When I started the market, when I got into the market, it took me almost 2 years to finally decide to start journaling my trades and start tracking my performance. At first, if you're not born into a family that are traders or they are walking into becoming a trader and they are taking steps into becoming a trader to guide you, you are definitely going to start like me, which what we did was just learn about the market, maybe because we saw the market advertisement or something like that from one ad, or you are on your online site looking for how to make money online and you stumbled on Forex or crypto, or maybe you had a referral from a friend or something like that. You didn't come from a family that taught trading. You're definitely going to not understand what it means to journal from the beginning of your journey. So today I'm going to be talking about what it means to journal and the values and the importance and how journaling can help you super sprint your profitability journey. Because at the end of the day, us as traders, what we are looking for is to become profitable and make trading our main source of income. So I have 3 points that I've worked on and I'll be sharing them today. One of the talking points is trade for you. For journaling, it helps you to track your performance. So like me in the past, when I started my journey, I wasn't into journaling like I said earlier. So I didn't know what was working and what wasn't working. I was not able to track the performance of what's going on in the markets, which pairs are working for me, which pairs are not working for me, which strategy is working for me, which strategy is not working for me, because I was not journaling. And journaling, it includes you talking about the pairs you trade, the time frame you trade, the profits or loss you took in a trade, the emotions you faced throughout you taking the trade, or after the market, your end of the day analysis, your beginning of the week analysis. All these are involved in your journal. So if you keep an accurate and concrete journal, you're able to track your performance and you're able to develop 10x faster than what the normal trader goes through without journaling. And there are tools available now for you to track. I think we have TradeZilla or something. There are a lot of tools. I personally, I use Notion. So I manually do my journaling. So when I take a trade, before I take a trade and after I take a trade, at the end of the week, beginning of the week, I have a journal to represent what I am going through or what I see in the market before I decide to take a trade. Then number two, it gives you an objective review of your trading plan. Remember, one of your tools in the market is to have a trading plan, and your trading plan involves a lot. So your trading plan involves the confidence you see in the market to take a trade, the time frame you decide to take a trade on. It involves a lot. So when you journal, you are able to track if your trading plan is working or is not working. The trading plan, your journaling is like a personal accountability that we really can't lie to ourselves. So your journal is like a personal accountability to checkmate if you are following your trading plan or not. So let's say you decide to take an emotional trade or you decide to take a revenge trade. At the end of the day, you have to write that in your journal. And when you keep writing this and this, you are now particularly seeing the things that are hampering your growth. And once you find a solution to a problem and you decide not to find a way out or take that solution and put it into action, you are therefore affecting yourself. So you need to journal to ensure you are following your trading plan, and this will help you speed up your profitability. And third on the list, we're going to be talking about improved decision making. So when you journal, you're able to see what is working and what is not working. Then time and time again, as you continue to journal, you now know, okay, if I take a trade on NAS 100 in London session, I am more profitable than when I take a trade NAS 100 New York session. Or if I take a trade in GBP USD New York session, most of these trades hit stop loss. So London session works better for me. So it gives you a variation on knowing what to do. If you're a prop trader, if you check your prop firm has a journal, and this journal shows them your analytics, your metrics of what is working and what is not working. So they're able to analyze your performance That's why you're able to become a consistent trader, because you're able to analyze your performance. So remember the 3 talking points: performance tracking, improved decision making, and objective review of your trading plan. If you put all of this together, all of these nuggets together into your trading plan or your trading regiment or your trading goals for this year, just watch how improved you're going to be before 2026, or even before the first half of this year is done. Just ensure you journal. There are lots of tools to journal. I can show you how I use Notion to journal. You can journal on your MS Word. You can journal on Excel. You can also use TradeZilla. I think I've seen a lot of top traders use TradeZilla. So depending on what you are able to afford, just ensure you journal today. To learn more tips like this, or if you're interested in more tips like this, just ensure to reach out to us on this channel. Subscribe, like, share, turn on the notification bell as we continue to drop gems like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.